Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, November 24th, 2022. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Yes, I'm here. Maybe we taped this. Maybe we did. We did. But I'm here to give you the headlines anyways on this Thanksgiving Day. Hopefully you're having fun with your friends and family. Hopefully you got to your destination. Make sure you check the weather forecast before heading out. Take that 511 app with you, too, if you are traveling today or, going to be traveling home, whatever the case may be. We want to make sure you stay safe out there. And we'll remind you of the following is closed. We are closed here today at City Hall, the Community Center, and Senior Center, along with the Fitchburg Public Library. City Hall, Community Center, Senior Center will be closed today and tomorrow. The library will be closed today, tomorrow, and Saturday. They'll reopen back up on their normal weekend schedule on the 26th. And the Fitchburg trash pickup is delayed by one day as well. So if you normally get your trash pickup today, that will be done tomorrow. And if you normally get it picked up on Friday, you'll get it picked up on Saturday. It happens during the holidays. You got any questions, you can check with Pelletary. They will have that information for you there or at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. How about that holiday lights tour? Maybe today's the day you put up those holiday lights. Well, if you're interested in taking part of the holiday light tour, it's going to be held on December 17th from 6 to 9 p.m. here in the city of Fitchburg. If you want to get the bragging rights of your house or your street, because you can vote for either one. Yes, they vote. You vote. You could win a prize. The person with the top display will win a gift basket from local area businesses here in Fitchburg, provided by the Fitchburg Chamber. Thank you, Chamber. But if you are interested in participating, you need to email administration at fitchburgwi.gov. That needs to be submitted by 10 a.m. on Wednesday, December 14th. So you got some time to plan before you get in on the action. And then the Google and participating addresses, a Google map of the participating addresses, and the signs will be placed on December 16th in the yards that are participating. Visitors are encouraged to vote for their favorite participating decorated home display and list their favorite street by using the voting link at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Please, one vote per person. All right, Small Business Saturday is going to be taking place this weekend. That's right. This Small Business Saturday is on November 26th, and it's throughout the holiday season. You should take advantage of your lovely small businesses in your community. They're made up of shops. They're made up of dining areas. They're made up of a whole different bunch of, join a gym. That's small business for you right here in Fitchburg. Love to have you, and you should definitely join in on the fun here by shopping local in Fitchburg. My suggestion earlier in the week was maybe you go out shopping for a little while outside of Fitchburg, but then you come back home and you shop and you dine and you shop some more and then conclude the night. Either way, shop local. That money, some of the money stays in our area when you shop local. So please definitely shop local this holiday season. And yes, winter emergency kit for your car is good if you are traveling or if you have some travel plans coming up. Now's a great time to put together that winter emergency kit in your vehicle to prepare for the crazy, snowy, what has been snowy already, cold season. Should include extra gloves, hats, socks, flashlight and batteries, first aid kit, jumper cables, drinking water, and non-perishable snacks. And you can find out more tips at wisconsindot.gov/winter driving. And they have a whole slew of great information. Throw a tow rope in there as well, and or some heating elements like blankets and whatnot, and flashlights. Just have something in there, especially if you're planning the long trip. Kitty litter is another good example of great thing to take along with you so you can dig out if you get stuck. All right, finally, talking about leftovers. Take care of your leftovers. Yes, if you're questioning it, don't keep it or you're going to be blah. That's my sum up of all this. Refrigerate leftovers at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or colder within 2 hours of cooking to prevent food poisoning. Refrigerate leftovers that have been exposed to temperatures 90 degrees or Fahrenheit are like a hot car or within 1 hour. If you are refrigerating a big cut of meat, such as a turkey or roast, cut it into smaller pieces so that it can cool quickly. And you do not need to wait until food is cool to store it in a refrigerator or freezer. Eat cooked turkey and dishes made up with it, such as soups, casseroles, within 3 to 4 days. Yes, not past 3 to 4 days, okay? Freezer leftovers to store them as well for longer, and then reheat your all of it by 165 degrees before serving and eating it. Have a great Thanksgiving.